Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing fine in your life. I hope you have watched my all other previous videos in my channel. If you haven't watched it yet, I think you should visit my channel, watch my previous videos, let me know what is in your mind in the comment section, share it with your friends and relatives and whoever is known to you, and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and hit the all notification button so that you will be notified every new update. So let's get started with today's topic. We sometimes in our lives face dilemma, hmm, whether we should do a particular thing or not, whether we should choose this path or whether we should choose that path. So this kind of dilemma we face in our everyday life, isn't it so? I'm sure all of you must have faced such situation where you have two options. Only you have two options. You have two options only, and from that option you are supposed to choose only one. And both the options seem very attractive, very ludicrous, very attractive, and your mind uh, keeps on saying this one to choose or this one to choose. Both are looking the same, and both are looking equally profitable, equally attractive. So uh, what should I choose? So this kind of dilemma is portrayed in famous poets in their poems. So today we are going to read such a poem by Robert Frost, hmm, The Road Not Taken. It is an NCERT class 9 syllabus. CBSE class 9 syllabus in the NCERT book. In the poem, beautifully Robert Frost has described his own personal journey and a situation has come across in his life where he was to choose between two paths. He was traveling through a forest. He came to a diversion in the forest where the forest diverge has two roads, hmm, two roads, and you must travel by one road only. There is a fork. तो ऐसे 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 होते हैं ना, तो दो रास्ते आके मिल मतलब एक पॉइंट पे आके दो रास्ता ऐसे डाइवर्ट हो जाता है। तो वैसे एक फॉर्क मिला था उनको रोड के अंदर, जंगल के अंदर. सो आइदर ही हैज़ टू गो दिस वे और ही हैज़ टू गो दिस वे. he is only one person, so one person at a time can go only one way ना. तो ऐसे हमारे साथ भी होते हैं. When we need to reach some destination, we have 2 to 3 or more routes. तो we have to decide जे कौन से रास्ते से जाए, कौन से रास्ते से जाए जहाँ हमको जाना है. All the roads will carry us to that destination of course, but the roads are different. तो इस रास्ते से जाओ कि उस रास्ते से जाओ, ऐसे हमारे ज़िंदगी में भी होता है. टू बी और नॉट टू बी. Here we find Shakespeare's Hamlet's famous words, to be or not to be, that is the question. ये करूँ जिंदगी में कि नहीं करूँ, दोनों में से क्या करूँ. तो this thing is depicted in this poem beautifully by Robert Frost. So he has to choose between two paths. One is that in the jungle, and both the roads, both the diversions are looking same. So the poet stops there and keeps on thinking what he should do. After a while, he decides that the path, both are looking same, both have grass and everything like that. But one path is looking less traveled by, because the grass is greener there. The grass is greener there, and that path is quite clean and tidy. Means it is not used by a lot of people. When a road is used by a lot of people, the grasses are soiled. grass खराब हो जाते हैं उसके ऊपर से बार बार लोग जाते हैं तो grasses are soiled, mutilated, and footprints were there. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे कोई रोड तो जैसे हो जाता है, और कोई एक रोड ज़्यादा कम यूज़ होगा तो उसमें ग्रासेस ग्रीन रहेंगे. हाँ, तो उस वैसा. So he decided to choose the path that is less traveled by, where the grass is greener. Okay. So he decided and he went by that path. And after a long time in his future, when he looks back, hmm, and thinks of this particular event, इस जो जंगल में जो हुआ था वो उसको याद करते हैं, and he thinks that uh, this is applicable to our life also. This is applicable to our life also. That हम जो डिसीशंस लेते हैं उसके ऊपर ही जिंदगी बनता है. The decisions decides destiny. Whatever you decide to do in your life, that shapes your destiny. Decisions decide destiny. So it happens with our lives also. Back from 20-30 years in our life, if we reflect on our life, and we thought that um, वो वाला बैच अगर लिया होता, उस स्ट्रीम से पढ़ा होता, तो आज शायद मैं कुछ और होती. ऐसे होते हैं. जैसे आप जीवन के मिडिल एज में, ओल्ड एज में पहुंच जाते हो, तो आप पीछे की जिंदगी के बारे में सोचते रहते हो. यू कीप्स ऑन thinking, ruminating on your past life, and you think now that if I would have taken that decision at that point of time, so that decision would have changed my life. So आज की ज़िंदगी मेरी जैसे है वैसा नहीं होता, कुछ अलग होता. So this happens with almost with every one of us. We look before and after and pine for what is not. It is said by Shelley in Ode to the West Wind. We look before and after and pine for what is not. Our sincerest laughter with some pain is fraught. Our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thought. ये P.B. Shelley ने बोला है in the Ode to the West Wind. Means we uh, ruminates on our past, we reflects on our past, and we a kind of regret, not regret always, but a kind of regression is there, that if I would have taken the other path, my life, my activities, my career, my life's decisions, everything would have been changed. So I maybe I would have been in a better position. So the same thing happens with Robert Frost also here. After a long time in his future, when he thinks that उस रास्ते से ना जाके दूसरी रास्ते से शायद मैं जाता, तो जिंदगी कुछ और होती. So that is the main crux of the poem here, the road not taken. And it is not possible for one single person to keep on walking on the both roads. That is also not possible. अब एक ही इंसान होके एक ही टाइम में दोनों रास्ते से नहीं चल सकते. तो whatever decision we take in our life, it always gives us that a feeling of dissatisfaction. that वो वाला कर लेती तो शायद अच्छा होता, उस रास्ते से जाती तो शायद थोड़ा बेटर होता. So this is an eternal human quest. It is an eternal human quest in our heart that grass is greener is always on the other side. जो हमने नहीं किया वही शायद अच्छा था. So in this way, by a jungle metaphor, the poet Robert Frost has beautifully expressed his theme here. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.